Evaluate your understanding. Write the formula and the name of the acid that contain the following anions: iodide, carbonates, chloride. So you have to write now the acid or its name that contains the anions. Integration with life science. Acids play an important role in the human body, including hydrochloric acid and lactic acid. How come? Let's explain. Hydrochloric acid, which is secreted by the stomach and contributes to the digestion of food, while lactic acid, which provides the muscle with energy when oxygen is lacking. But its accumulation in the muscles causes muscle tension. Properties of acids and alkalis. There are many acids and alkalis in your home, such as lemon, ketchup, and grapes. Acidic materials, while detergents, toothpaste, and baking soda are alkaline materials. So right now we have mentioned the examples for acids and alkalis that can be found in our home. Acid, like we've mentioned before, it is a substance when dissolved in water increases cations or hydrogen positive charges in the solution, and it's responsible for all properties of acid, while alkali, it is a substance that when dissolved in water increases anion, which is OH, hydroxide atomic group, or hydroxide anions in the solution, which is responsible for all alkaline properties. Interact acids with alkalis composed of salt and water. This reaction is called the neutralization reaction, and while any acid reacts with any alkaline, they form salt and water, such as the reaction of hydrochloric acid, which combines with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. But doesn't react the acids which with each other, and also don't interact alkalis with each other. So no reaction between one acid and another acid, and there is no reaction between one alkaline and another alkaline. It's clear from above that we have two groups of acids and also two groups of alkaline. Strong acids such as hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acids, they are good conductors of electricity, while weak acids such as vinegar or sulfuric acid or nitrous acid, they are poor conductors of electricity. In the same way, the electrical conductivity of sodium hydroxide solution varies. Strong alkali about the electrical conductivity of ammonium hydroxide solution, which is weak alkaline. And here we have comparative table between alkalis and acids according to the definition, examples, their taste, their origin, and their effect on the litmus paper. Of course, the alkalis, they change the color of the litmus paper or the sunflower paper from red into blue, while vice versa for the acids, they change litmus paper from blue into red. Medical applications. Milk of magnesia is used as temporary remedy to neutralize stomach acid. So if you have like high level of acidity in your stomach, you have to drink milk of magnesia because it contains hydroxide magnesium. Acids and alkalis conduct electricity to vary, decrease, or with variable degrees depending on their strengths. As we've mentioned before, we have strong acids, we have weak acids, we have strong bases, and we have weak bases. Okay, a question. Is there a relationship between metals and alkalis, nonmetals and acids? Metals burn in the presence of oxygen, forming metal oxides. Are known as it is in water to form a magnesium hydroxide solution, while nonmetals burn in the presence of oxygen to form nonmetal oxides, and most of which are composed of basic oxides. And what dissolves in water is alkalis. And here in front of you in the pictures, we have here combustion of magnesium and sulfur combustion as an example for burning of metals, and sulfur is an example for burning of nonmetals. As in the combustion of magnesium forming magnesium oxide, which dissolves known as acetic oxide, which is dissolved in water to form acids. As a combustion for sulfur forming carbon trioxide, which dissolves in water to form solution of sulfuric acid. Metal oxides reacts with acids but not with alkalis, while metal oxides of nonmetals don't react with alkalis and they don't react with acids. Types of oxides. Metal oxides, that's a comparative table between metal oxides and non-metal oxides. There are some oxides that behave in both ways, and they are called amphoteric oxides, like aluminum oxides. Integration with life sciences. The combustion of fossil fuels, such as petroleum and coal in cars, power plants, and factories, produces acidic oxides such as nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. The dissolution of nitrogen and sulfur oxides in the water vapor of the atmosphere and their accumulation in clouds, leading to falling of rain cold or mixed with carbon dioxide or other oxides to form acidic rain, which causes severe damages. And this leads to destruction of forests, harming living organisms, especially the one lives in water, and erosion of building stones, in addition to causing health problems. As you can see in this picture, those are the effects of acid rains according to animals, plants, human, and of course for non-living things. Okay, that's it for today's session, and see you soon in lesson 3. Goodbye.